How's your pregnancy? It's okay. It's a growing baby. I feel like magto 2 months na siya. Pero hindi pa ako pregnancy test. Pero feel ko pregnant ako. Kasi may mga signs, ganun. Thank you. Who's the Excuse me. Sorry. Gusto ko lang i-announce na pregnant ako. And I want you to pray for me because I'm coughing. I'm coughing! I'm coughing and I have cold and the concert is near. So I'm so worried. And I'm also pregnant. So, oh my gosh! Thank you. Gender review. Gay. Joke lang. Bestie, nag-take na Meg. Yeah. Thank you so much. Nag-awaken itong sickness na to. Kanina lang. Actually, I was feeling sick maybe 2 days ago. Tapos, kanina full out. Roar! Ayan, gusto ko lang kayong i-update. Thank you. So, matutulog ako maaga, syempre, para mag-heal yung cells ko. And to boost my resistance. Tapos ngayon, naka-bald ako right now, as you can see. Itong pillow lang yung pang takip ko. If I remove this, you're gonna see my genitalia. So, hanggang sa forehead lang yung makikita nyo tonight. Thanks! Yes, matutulog ako. Careful. Baka magka-scandal ako. Kaya, ganyan lang. Thanks, guys! Tapos, bili na kayo ng ticket sa Ragasa kasi magba-backflip ako doon. You're also gonna see some kind of affair on stage, ganun, and a lot of drama. Tapos, magsispill ako ng madaming drama, ganun. Sa Ragasa concert this December 6. Buy your tickets now on ticketnet.com.ph. Thanks. Meron na ako. Oh, okay, thank you so much. May jawla. Oo, meron. P-pop idol na si Alamat Jow may scandal. Wala pa akong scandal. Pero sige, someday. Joke lang. Good night to your baby. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ang pangit ng Oh, that's true. I'm kind of ugly right now. Oh my gosh. Ang pangit ko nga tonight. Thank you for reminding me. Pero alam ba kung sinong mas pangit? Ikaw! Kayo mga maasim na bash ng bash pero pag tinignan mo yung profile, ang asim! Okay, good night. Yan lang. Bye-bye. Who's the papa of the baby? So yung dad ng baby, actually I was conceived by the power of the universe. Thank you.